In fairness, I'm not trying to, that's just a sarcasm para sa kanila. Talagang tinago ko yun to find out, sabi ko, who are the most stupid lawyers in this country. Ayun, yung mga konstitusyon sila labing. Hanggang pasalita-salita ang mga putang ina. At sa konstitusyon na. Bright. Alam ang, the first thing that you face is jurisdiction. May jurisdiction. Do you have the power? Believe ko na ba no? Sabi ko, bakit cabinet member ko wala lahat. Puro kami abogado, pero ako nagtago ako. Tinigilan ko talaga. Ang binitawan ko na, tsaka sinabi ko, you will prosecute me. Who are you? Ang chairman ng human rights. Putang ina, you do not come from a democratic country.